Hi guys, welcome once again to Techly Things. Now today I'll be demonstrating how to take off or replace a strut in less than 5 minutes. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell for the latest videos. Now this was taken from my 2010 Honda CRZ. It's a worn shocks, so I say I just do a demonstration for you guys to have a look. Now first you're not gonna need the clamp that you see that I have there with the spring. It's important to have that clamp down the spring so that it does not explode in your face when you're taking off the shocks, because if you don't clamp down the spring and go straight ahead to take off the nut from the top of the shocks, it will explode in your face. So you want to have a pair. As you see, I'm putting on the next one at the opposite side in order to have a balance when it is clamped. So once those are clamped, then you can take off the the nut at the top. And here I go. Power tool is very efficient and fast. I love it. And as you all can see, this is the back of my house where I can look at the sea. So this is just a leisure time activity for me. There we go. So you want to ensure you put the the strut lying down. You don't want to have it facing you or facing any part of your body in case of it exploding. So now, with the head of the power tool, got off the nut, and there we go. And you can see the strut mount there just fell off, and it's a little bit rotten. So that's how you get off the spring from the strut. And as you can see, it's severely worn, so that would not give a good ride. So that's how it goes. I'm gonna put it on back now so that you can see it in quick time. Right, in order to replace, you're just gonna do the same, well, not the same thing, the opposite of what you did in getting it off. In other words, you're doing reverse engineering. Right, so get them on, get the clamp on that is compressed. You're gonna get this thing a little bit compressed some more, and you're gonna ensure that you get it down some more, and then you tighten the nut at the top, and that's basically how it goes. Trying to get off the clamps, and once it's off, it's all good. As the magician would say, voila. So thanks again guys for watching Techly Things, and I hope you'll see you in the next video. So as usual, peace out and stay safe.